Here comes that wind. The rain stopped. Now the wind's kicking up. A 60-mile-an-hour wind gust. Look what the wind did. Tornado watch in Indiana. Not too far from here. No, the weather don't just hit my area. I get people sending me messages that way. It's all over the country. It don't just hit, you know. Indiana's getting hit. Oklahoma got hit last night with tornadoes. Chicago, Illinois got hit with tornadoes. Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee. The wind is terrible. Probably don't knock out the power. Whew, boy, wind is knocking everything over. Yeah, there's a tornado watch in Indiana right now. Majority of Indiana. Yeah, till 3 o'clock. Feels good out here. 66 degrees. This weather's been bipolar. Hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. 70-degree one day, tornado watch one day, snowing the next, blizzard the next, 80-degree temperature the next day. Crazy, isn't it?